And that's all for today in trans. I'm your host, Authentic Anna, signing off.
I'm Authentic Anna, but my online persona is nothing like the real me.
I do not sound like that. And at least they like my persona. It makes people smile.
Yeah, I've seen those comments. They're holding back laughter, I bet. Seriously, you're already inspiring being yourself. And your YouTube channel, and your nonprofit, and don't forget about me. Can't you just be Anna?
I am Anna. How could I not be me?
Hey!
Hello? Who is this?
What was that about?
I don't know. It was just breathing.
Creepy?
Hello?
You should listen to your friend, Faker.
Where are you going? Let's kick his ass! He's a low-life stalker! Hey! It's me! Anna, are you okay? Let me in!
Carly! Why would you run at him?
Why would you run away?
You could get yourself killed doing that.
So could you! Here. Take this with you, just in case. Look. You have to fight for your right to exist. Oh, I found his Twitter. The stalker. He stalks and harasses trans women, especially activists, until Anna, he tries to get trans women to commit suicide. He's even bragging about one victim that ended up in the hospital.
No.
Anna.
No. Go away! Leave me alone!
Anna?
Carly, he was just here.
He was? My place then?
Okay, just let me grab my meds. Carly? Let her go! Get out of my house!
Why should I listen to something like you?
Sure, Nana, we could take him.
Quiet! Yeah. You think you're so special, don't you? You're weak and fake. Just another fake trying to play. You're a failure of a man, but that doesn't make you a woman. I'm going to remind you who you really are, Andrew!
My name is Anna!
Carly! Oh, are you okay?
Never been better.
I'll kill you, you bitch.
Today in Trans, we're going to be discussing online harassment, mental health, and self-defense. I'm your host, Athen. I'm your host, Anna. Let's get started.